Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io diagram recovery problems in 2026. So if your diagram is missing, not restoring, or you accidentally closed your work and can't recover it, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check if Draw.io autosave is enabled. If autosave is turned off, your recent changes may not have been stored properly. Next, look for recovery options when reopening Draw.io. Sometimes the application automatically restores unsaved diagrams after a crash or reload. Now check your cloud storage, like Google Drive or OneDrive, if your file was saved online. You may find an older version there that can be restored. Next, clear your browser cache and reopen Draw.io. In some cases, recovery data is temporarily stored in the browser and can be reloaded after a refresh. Now try opening Draw.io in a different browser or incognito mode. This helps determine if the recovery data is blocked by browser settings or extensions. Next, check version history in your cloud storage. Services like Google Drive often keep previous versions that you can restore manually. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with autosave and recovery functions. Next, make sure you're logged into the correct account where the diagram was originally saved. Now restart your browser and reopen Draw.io to trigger any automatic recovery prompts again. Finally, if nothing works, check local backups or export history if you saved any earlier versions of your diagram. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io diagram recovery problems.